Is ImageGlass reporting the ImageGlass Library DLL is missing? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. I've identified the library gap and have the professional fix ready. To start the walkthrough for ImageGlass Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the ImageGlass Library, the core execution library for the ImageGlass photo viewer. It manages the hardware-accelerated image decoding and the localized UI transitions. If missing after an update, the photo viewer will refuse to open, reporting a required component is missing, ImageGlass DLL, or a module failed to initialize error. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. This issue indicates a structural problem within ImageGlass's installation. Reinstall the latest version of ImageGlass from the official site to restore ImageGlass Library DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with ImageGlass Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. A professional word of caution: many domains offering standalone ImageGlass Library DLL downloads are actually distributing modified binaries capable of logging keystrokes and compromising encrypted credentials. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If background initialization issues occur, the link in the description provides maintenance information related to ImageGlass Library. To keep ImageGlass Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.